In times of adversity, our faith can be tested. However, it is during those challenging moments that our trust in God is vital. By holding on to our belief in His power and love, we find strength and resilience to navigate through the storm. Trusting that God will make us whole again helps us endure hardships with hope and perseverance. When we desire restoration, it is natural to seek immediate results. However, trusting in God's timing is crucial. His plans unfold according to His perfect wisdom, and the healing process may take time. By patiently waiting and trusting in His divine timing, we allow God's transformative work to take place, leading us to the wholeness. Then your light will break forth like the dawn, and your healing will quickly appear. Then your righteousness will go before you, and the glory of the Lord will be your rear guard. Isaiah chapter 58, verse 8. In a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a humble and kind-hearted man named Samuel. Samuel has faced numerous trials and tribulations throughout his life. Yet his unwavering faith in God gave him strength to persevere. One fateful day, a devastating storm swept across the village, leaving destructions in its wake. Samuel's modest home was reduced to rubble, his crops were ruined, and his livestock perished. Overwhelmed by sorrow and despair, Samuel fell to his knees and cried out to God, "Why have you forsaken me? How will I ever recover from this tragedy?" Days turned into weeks, and Samuel remained despondent, finding it difficult to see a glimmer of hope amidst the ruins of his life. However, unbeknownst to him, God had heard his prayers and was already at work behind the scenes. One morning, as Samuel walked through the remnants of his village, he noticed a group of volunteers arriving. They were part of a relief organization sent by compassionate souls from distant lands. With their help, a new sense of hope began to flicker within Samuel's heart. The volunteers started to rebuild homes, clear debris, and plant new seeds in the once barren fields. Samuel joined hands with them, pouring his sweat and determination into the restoration efforts. Day by day, the village began to transform. From the ashes of devastation, new structures emerged, brimming with life and laughter. As time went on, Samuel witnessed countless miracles unfold before his eyes. The crops flourished more abundantly than ever before, yielding an abundance of food for the village. The villagers' spirit was rekindled, and a newfound sense of community and resilience spread like wildfire. Amidst the restoration, Samuel realized that God's plan was not just about rebuilding physical structures. It was about healing hearts, renewing spirits, and restoring faith. The title, "God Will Restore You," took on a profound meaning for Samuel and his fellow villagers. They understood that God's restoration went far beyond material possessions. It encompassed the restoration of hope, joy, and purpose. Years passed, and Samuel's village became the testament of God's faithfulness and restoration. The once shattered lives had been transformed into a vibrant community filled with love, compassion, and unwavering faith. Samuel, now an elder in the village, shared his story with the younger generations. reminding them that no matter how broken they may feel, God's restoration is always possible. And so, the tale of Samuel and his village serves as a timeless reminder that even in the darkest of times, when all seems lost, God's restoring power can breathe life into our shattered dreams and make us whole once again.